Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have a charger like this one, car battery charger Century, this one 10 to 2 amps, 6 to 12 volts, and it's not working. So you need, first of all, before you do anything, look to the switches here. Those switches, sometimes they can get corrosion, moisture or dirt, and they're not working really well. They're not connected. So you can spray DW40 from here, inside here a little bit, and there a little bit. If still not working, so basically this is kind of an old charger. It's not like the new one, Inventor's one, or the smart charger. Anyway, so this is the main transformer, which is in AC 120 volt, output also AC, but less than about like 20 volt or so, depends. And this is just the motherboard over there that can transfer the AC to DC, and so that's it, simply just like that. Wiring, make sure all wiring is connected, nothing is loosed. Wiring in here too, everything is okay. And if it's still not working, so what you need to do, you can hear the sound as soon as you plug this one. You will hear the sound. I'll show you how. By the way, this is just the cover, easy to remove. Only 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like those ones here, very easy to remove. So you can hear the sound as soon as you plug it in. Now it's plugged in. And you can hear the noise or the sound coming from this transfer. So that means this transfer is working, no issue with this. You can also feel vibration, you know, and if you don't hear the sound, you can feel the vibration. So that means transfer is working, no issue with this. But the issue is somewhere here in the motherboard. So either one of the transistor or the diode or something is not connected right. And right now I'm just gonna test it, and we'll see the voltage reading. Okay, any multimeter should work. You go to 20 volt DC and connect those positive to positive, negative to negative. You can see now it is 10.4 volt DC volt. And here, when I change this switch, to 6 volt, and here is 6 volt. You see, this switch is not working well because I put it on a 12 volt and it's still reading 12, see that? 12 volt, 7 volt here. And if I change activate to charge, nothing. Charge, activate. So probably those switches are not working really well, one of them at least, maybe. And the other problem is this one here. You can see when I move this motherboard, you can see the voltage how it's changing. 11.6 volt, 10 volt, or even when I try to move it a little bit, see how it's changing. Look. See, now it's 5 volt. So as soon as I move this, volt, 5.8 volt. So that means it's something broken, something is not connected really well in that either wiring or the motherboard or something. We'll take a look and see. So as soon as you can also do quick like that. 6 volt. 12 volt 2 amps, 12 volt 10 amps. You can also easy quick test if you don't have multimeter, or just like go see, touch the negative positive together quickly like that. Make sure do not hold them more, otherwise if like this can damage the if you hold them more like more than a second or so, probably can damage the component inside. Or sometimes there's safety, some of them has a safety fuse or a switch or something, it can turn it off or blown up or something. But for quick tests like this, see, 6 volt, 12 volt 2 amps, 12 volt 10 amps. Charging, charge, nothing, activate, working. There you can see there's one nut here is holding this thing, so I'm just gonna release this one. Now try to inspect this electrical board, just in case if all this line has a cut, broke, or crack. Okay, so far it looks good. I don't see any cracks here or any damage or anything. Let's inspect more down here. This, however, it's for loosed. I don't know. Maybe this one is broken. I don't know. The other wire is does not move, but this one it's moving. So that could be maybe an issue. I'm not too sure. We'll check it out and see. is the thermostat. If it's the battery charger overheat or so, this will basically shut off, I think, and that's what it looks like for me. So I think I found the problem. You see this connector over there. This one, it's kind of loose a little bit, you see. This one, however, is solid, but this this could be of issue too, because once you move this will move like that, and then can give this a different voltage or making it kind of a weak charge or so. So what I'll try to do is try to use the pliers and kind of squeeze this more, hold it in a good position. It's much better. So far so good, and I'm just gonna spray just a little bit WD-40. I don't have the electronic cleaner or sprayer, but WD-40 should work also. And I'll tie this one here. Let's tie this back in. This two here, this is a safety connector or thermostat. So when I touch those ones, you can see if those are touched, this kind of will disconnect, and it takes maybe this got a lot of heat, it will disconnect. It'll take about a few seconds, maybe, it depends, then reconnect again. However, sometimes this one, probably there's an issue here, because this is moving, this wire not, this one is moving, as you see. So for now I'll just keep it as is, since it's working fine, and put everything back together. Use a DW40, spray a little bit, and that should work. If you have electronic sprayer or cleaner, it's even much better than DW40, because DW40 has some moisture a little bit, and but for now it's been fixed. Thank you for watching. All the best, and hope to see you next time.